installing a cordless roller shade inside mount on your window. To do this, one point that we want to highlight is the two different brackets that will be provided. One will go on the left side and one will go on the right side. If you look at your shade, there is a spring side and an idle side. Paired with the bracket with a little swivel will always go on the left side of your window. Taking the provided bracket and fasteners, using our power drill today, go ahead and grab your screw and bracket position in the window with both of the brackets provided. With this bracket, you'll have the ability to either mount to the side or up above, depending on your inside mount. Whichever is appropriate will work just fine. Go ahead and finish up on the other side. Before we grab our shade, with the spring side on the left, you'll want to open the little swivel on your bracket so that it will be ready for the shade. With our brackets installed on the inside, go ahead and install the cordless roller shade. You want to take the right side and put it into the receiving end of the bracket, at which point we'll take the left side and work it into the bracket. Once it's seated in place, we'll close the trapdoor and make sure that the shade has an appropriate amount of tension. These are factory set, however, if you notice that the shade has too much or too little tension, we'll go ahead and pop the tensioning side of the shade out of the bracket, and to add more tension, we'll roll the shade up. To relieve tension or take tension off, we'll go ahead and lower the shade and then place it back in the bracket. With general operation, you'll pull the shade down, of course, where you'd like it to stop. Give a little tug and the shade will go back up towards the top.